Hi and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about objects and primitives. So everything in Python is an object, and this also happens for other programming languages like Ruby, where everything is an object. But basically in every other programming languages we have primitives. Okay, so first let's see an example in Python. So in Python we have numbers and we can add them like this. We get 4, but we can also add numbers by using this add method here, so we get the same result. So these 2, which is a number, has methods, so that means that 2 is not a primitive, it's an object. In fact, we can say isInstance 2 of an object, and it will return true. We can put, for example, a boolean here, so false is an object, and as you can see it returns true. Okay, so everything in Python is an object. Now let's go to JavaScript and let's declare a primitive string. So we do that by saying, for example, let a equal to foo, and now let's declare a string object with this string constructor using the new keyword and passing the value of a here. Let's console log the type of a and also the type of b. Let's run this, and as you can see we have a string which is the type of a, an object which is the type of b. Now if we try to compare them, first with a double equal operator and then with a triple equal operator, well, the first one is going to yield true and the second one is going to yield false. So this is doing the proper conversions to only compare the values, but this is also checking the types. So it is saying, hey, this is a string, this is an object, they can't be equal. We can also declare primitives with a string constructor, but without using the new keyword. So like this, and if we try to compare a and c, and a and c with a triple equal, then we get true and true because this is comparing the values and this is also comparing the type. So the type of c is also a string, so I forgot to put that. Let's see the type of c. So as you can see, it's also a string, it's not an object. Okay, now if a and c are both primitive strings, then why we can do something like this: console log a.length and console log a.to uppercase. So let's run this and we get the length of the string, which is 3, and the string but with all capital letters, which is foo, and this is a property and this is a method. Okay, so how we can call methods and look up for properties in a primitive string? Well, primitives don't have properties nor methods, but JavaScript is sufficiently intelligent to wrap the string primitive and call the method or perform the property lookup when a method is going to be invoked on a primitive string or a property lookup occurs. So that's why we can get this length property or invoke this to uppercase method. And the same happens with the other primitives in JavaScript, which are the number, big int, boolean, and symbol, and obviously a string. So these are the primitives in JavaScript. Okay, now if we have an object, we can get the primitive by invoking this value of method. So let's declare this new variable d and say b value of, okay, and perform the same comparisons. So a equal to d, a equal to d. As you can see, we get true and true. So that's everything for this video. I hope you like it and now you understand better JavaScript primitives and objects. See you in the next video. Bye bye.